Okay, so this is our 9boxes worksheet, everybody, and I'm just doing this quick tutorial to show you how to separate your 9boxes into layers if you didn't do that to start off with. So, first of all, your layers, they should be over here, but if you don't see them over here, you can always go up to Window, you can always go up to Window and just click on Layers, and they should show up. All right, so now I have my layers, and I can see here that all of these 9boxes are finished, but they're all in one layer. They're all in this top layer here called box 9. If I click on this little arrow next to it, you can see every single thing is only in box 9. So what I want to do is I want to separate that. So each one of these boxes has its own layer. All right, and I've already pre-labeled them all for you, boxes 1 through 9 over here. So it's easy, they're empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my white arrow direct selection key or tool, and I'm going to just put my arrow outside of the white box, and I'm just going to drag, click and drag here, a box over the first entire box. Everything in that box is now highlighted, and I can come over here to box 9 and I can open it up and I can scroll down until I find there. Now I can see all those little orange boxes. All those orange boxes mean that those are the items that are highlighted here. So I need to take everything that's an orange box right now and put it into a new layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my swatches here. I'm going to move them over, and I'm going to grab the bottom of this window and make it a little bigger, big as I can, so I can see. And I'm going to click the bottom selected path. Okay, that's got the orange box. Click it, just click, that's it. Now I'm going to go up to the top. Now I want you always to start at the bottom because that way your layers will stay in the correct order. So I've picked this one at the bottom, and I go all the way up here, and I am going to hold down Shift with my left hand and then click on this top. That way it selects everything in between those 2 points. Now all I have to do is click here on the path and drag. I'm holding down my click until I drag it all the way down here to box number 1, and once I get it there, I'm going to let go. Everything just turned red because I just moved all of these orange boxes into box 1, and now everything in box 1 is red. And you can look over here and you can see now some of these are red and some of these are orange. Okay, so I still have some orange ones to go. So I'm going to come back here in my orange and I see, okay, click the bottom one, hold down Shift, click the top one, and I can drag that into box 1. All right, so now I'm just going to take a quick scan. Yep, I got everything. Look over here. Yep, everything's red. Done. Box 1 is done. Now, box 2. Again, white arrow. I'm going to kind of click to deselect that first box, and I'm just going to drag a box over my second box. I'm going to scan in my orange first layer. There it is. Click the bottom one, hold down Shift, click the top one, and click and drag that into box 2. There you go. So now it's all green, green for box 2, done. Move on. Come over here, box 3, select it, find it, and click, and drag, hold down Shift, click your top one, and click and drag into box 3. Okay, and now you can see that that's blue. So you're going to do that for all of your layers until they're all done, and then down here you'll see each box will have in its own will be in its own layer. All right, and that's how you do that. And then remember, when you save, you want to go up to File and you want to say Save As. Okay, and make sure that you put your name in the title, and then you make sure that you put it in the server. So you can find over here under Shared, it should show up. If it's not active there, then you need to remember get your server on by going up to Go and Connect to Server. So here's Find in Applied Arts. I'm going to find our class, and I'm going to find your period, whatever period that is that you're in. Find your designer folder, and save it there. And then remember, you want to copy paste it into the turn in folder as well. All right, if you do not put it into the turn in folder, I will never see it. Okay, so make sure you back it up in your folder and in the turn in folder. All right, thank you.